Hey guys, this is Jeremy and welcome to Cyber-Security. In this video today, I'm going to talk about the OSCP My Journey Day 15. So it's been 15 days since I started the OSCP courses, the PWK. And I'm just going to tell you how it goes. So I finished all the courses. I finished reading the PDF. I finished watching the 7.5 hours of videos. And I wanted to say this guy did a really good job, because in these 7.5 hours of video there is not 1 second that is wasted. It means that if you don't have your full attention for 1 second, you just get lost really easily. So therefore the 7.5 hours for me became rapidly about 20 or 24 hours of video and complete focus. So now I know where all my weaknesses are, and I know what I have to work on. So I started doing some machines on the lab, and curiously this is the easiest that I don't manage to get a root, and some more complicated machines I managed to get some root quite easily. So maybe I'm just overthinking it, but I know what I have to work on. So yeah, and I took the Hack the Box VIP membership, so I can practice on a retired machine. The thing what's good about retired machine is that there is a lot of walkthrough for you to follow, which is easy to see where you get stuck and why are you stuck and what you didn't think of doing before getting stuck. So it's really helpful. I think there's I think it's Abachi that did that. He classified the hash the box boxes, the hash the box machine, which are really similar from the OSCP exam. So I'm gonna do them all. I will see how it goes. And yeah, I think once a week I'm gonna watch again and again all those videos, and I'm gonna read again all the PDF, so I can get better and improve my skills. So I wanted to tell you also that I started a Twitch channel, so you can watch me hack live on Hack the Box machines. Obviously I cannot do it on OSCP lab machines because it's confidential and I don't want to get revoked from the future certification already. So yeah, but if you want, we can talk to me directly or something. There is my Twitch, which I'm gonna put the link in the description, and my Twitter, Twitter/SantoJ. So I can't wait to talk to you. Thank you guys thank you everybody that take the time to talk to me on my YouTube channel or on Twitter. If you want to exchange, I know some people from France, Belgium, India for the moment. So if I can help any one of you with some question that you have about the OSCP courses, or if of course I need some help sometimes, so I will definitely need to ask a few questions, so don't hesitate to talk to me, okay? Ever. I will be happy to respond to you on my Twitter or on YouTube, on Twitch, or wherever you want. So I'll see you guys next time, and maybe the next video will be in 10 days again. So it's gonna be 25 days. So see you next time, guys.